So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard, and this is a 16 by 20 inch primed canvas, and I found my glasses, or at least one pair. That is a small dollar store dustpan that I'm planning on putting some colors into, although I'm very low on black, so I think it's going to have to be the gift of whatever will come out of a bottle. How about a skewer to see if I can clear my tip rather suddenly. I'll take whatever I can get. Even that lump of whatever that is, that has to go. Okay. Yep, I saw that other thing in there, and that's got to go too. Bye thing. Okay, that's a start. I used up a lot of my white metallic from Anita's, doing a black and white on a 24 by 24 recently. I'm going to go very easy with this. I don't think this is going to make any difference. I'm pretty sure I can't even use that mica powder gold. But I have some of the gold, and I don't know what I did with it. Huh. I mixed it yesterday. Okay. Well, I guess right at this exact moment, it's whatever will come out. And put my tops back on because it's the last painting of the day. Ooh, that's a gorgeous color. I think that is an Art Minds color. Not sure. And I realized when I saw that I have not shaken my paints. This is basically a dirty pour out of a dustpan because I'm not attempting to layer colors in there. I'm just adding them. What else do I want that's fabulous before I hit the wall that is that handle? Alright, so I really don't want that to tip. I have to decide that there's something else. Yes, I can get more paint in there. Good. Hopefully I can also put that down someplace and get to it. I can't use the gold, and I wanted to. Where is that gold? I know you're here. There we go. Here's yesterday's gold. And that was just an Artist Loft gold mixed with a folk art gold. I have a new color too that I just remembered. I have this amazing teal, and I want some darker purple in there, but I want to be a lot careful. And this is a gift to me. Maybe a little white. Let's see what else is left here. Yes, I caught it. I kind of want some black in there. I really want some orange, but I guess if I want it bad enough, I can add it afterwards. So, if I want to, I can dip my my little sand shovel in here. But I've just been watching my own videos as I edit. And what that means to me is that I get inspired by the first half of a video, and then I realize that I went ahead and went past the good part and continued to work with stuff. So I just want to do what I want to do for right now. And that may include tipping this down a little bit. Super simple, beautiful colors. Probably nothing more to it than that would be fine by me. Maybe I just need another canvas, which I don't happen to have out here with me right now. Oh well, too bad. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery going, that was quick. Maybe I'll just take a little bit more paint and finish my dribble off, thinking that it will meld. I don't see that much else I want to do. I just like it the way it is, and I think I'm going to give myself permission to add a little bit of paint right there. Right, just to finish the end. And then I'm going to go find another canvas and start another recording. The 5-minute painting. It probably isn't even 5 minutes, which is good because I did not remember to set my timer for the first time in a long time. I'm going to dip my spatula right in there. I may be sorry. I may not. What else do I want to do in there? Not much. Somebody's going to tell me it looks like it's pregnant again. I'm sure of it. I just want to, what do I want to do? I want to ruin it somehow. Okay, let's torch, because I see that bubble there. And if I'm totally compelled to do something to it, I can always do it tomorrow. In the meantime, I think I can have some of that gold right there. Lead right over the side. And what else? Ah, crash. Crash, crash, that's what else. Just going to pounce that right into place and hope that it will meld. And fool the eye a little bit. Where's the gold I just had? These glasses are not my favorite. They're magnifying things just tremendously. It's nice that the black canvas is black, primed shiny, because then that means I can get paint off there if I want to. I really just want to put some more gold in there. But if I do that, I'm stuck with it, and I don't want to do that yet. Okay, well, it is what it is, and it's cool the way it is, and I've wanted to make something super simple for a while, and maybe I'll just keep this other paint and shop my Amazon link. There's a book there called Because I Can, and that's pretty much why I did this, because I can. And I'm going to grab just a little bit of that paint, the gold mica powder paint. And let that line merge, because I had to see if that'll work. I want to dot things. I want to do all kinds of stuff, but I really want one of these plain. So I do sell my artwork. You're welcome to inquire through YouTube, and I have Pinterest and Instagram, and a paint pouring recipe underneath the video if you open Show More. I do give lessons in Spring Hill at the house. So anything that you want, just inquire by communicating with me through YouTube, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You're welcome to ask me whatever questions you want to ask me. And if you give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it, because it helps the YouTube algorithm know that it wants to place me where people can find me, and I really appreciate that, because I would like to make a living as an artist, but it's impossible in Spring Hill, Florida, to sell enough artwork to make a living and help my husband with the bills. And I would like to do that. Thank you guys for subscribing, all 60,000 plus of you, 61,000 as of today, but probably more by the time this bothers to get shown. And in the last 20 seconds of the end screens of this particular video, you will find over 600 videos. So if you're interested in watching some more, that's a huge help to me. If you do that, yes, I'm still diddling. Because that's the other thing the YouTube algorithm knows. It knows how long you watch a video and how many. And every time there's a bunch of them watched, it helps get me better placement, and I really appreciate that. If you happen to be a contributor to the studio, I want to say thank you very much for keeping me painting all this time. I see that thing that does not belong. And if any of you want to be in a monthly contest, maybe I'll put this painting out there. All you have to do is contribute through PayPal or Patreon, and the links are underneath the video and on my YouTube channel header. And I will be announcing a contest shortly, and you will be able to find out what's up for grabs on the end screens of the video. And I'm still pretty happy with all that, so much so that I don't want to change it. And I love you guys. Thanks for being here. I hope you watch another video soon, and I appreciate all your comments. You make my day every day. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope to see you soon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery going again. Whew, that was really quick. Bye now. Love you.